Hello friends, today's lecture covers Chapter 2 of IRSEM, focusing on Section 2 and Section 3, which describe the additional duties of Signal and Telecommunication Engineers. We will specifically discuss additional duties of Senior DSTE in charge of maintenance and additional duties of Deputy CSTE in charge of construction, project or works. These responsibilities are crucial for ensuring safety, reliability, quality and compliance in railway signaling systems. As we already studied in Section 1, S&T engineers have overall responsibility for installation, maintenance and safety. In Section 2, the focus is on maintenance-related supervisory duties, while Section 3 focuses on construction and project execution duties. Both sections emphasize inspection, coordination, documentation, and strict adherence to rules. Section 2. Additional duties of Senior DSTE maintenance. The Senior Divisional Signal and Telecommunication Engineer plays a key role in maintaining signaling assets in safe condition, supervising inspections, analyzing failures, ensuring staff discipline, safety practices, and compliance with manuals. His role is not only technical but also administrative and supervisory. No unauthorized alterations. The Senior DSTE must ensure that no alteration is made to any signaling installation if it deviates from original approved plan, approved diagram, or approved specification. Any such change requires prior approval of the CSTE. This rule ensures uniformity, safety and accountability. Annual inspections. The Senior DST must personally inspect at least 20% of installations every year, or any other percentage decided by the CSTE. All sections under his jurisdiction must be covered. A monthly report of inspections conducted must be submitted to the headquarters office. Footplate inspections. The Senior DSTE must ensure annual inspection of signals from the footplate or driving cab. Inspection must be done by day or by night, in both up and down directions. These inspections should preferably be done jointly with officers of mechanical, electrical, operating or engineering departments, ensuring a holistic safety review. Mandatory drawings and records. During inspection by senior officers such as DRM, GM, PCSTE, CRS or Railway Board officers, the Senior DST must have interlocking plans, footplate and section inspection records, previous inspection reports, and any other documents required by headquarters. This ensures transparency and preparedness. Inspection of SSC stores. Once a year, the Senior DST must inspect office and stores of SSC signal in charge. At least 10% of store items, especially costly items, must be physically checked. Proper storage must ensure to prevent damage, deterioration, pilferage or fire accidents. Subordinate inspections. The Senior DSTE must ensure that DSTE or ASTE, SSC or JE signal conduct inspections of installations and footplate inspections regularly and as prescribed. This creates a multi-level safety inspection system. Failure analysis. The senior DSTE must analyze signaling failures, data logger exceptional reports, reports submitted by SSCs and JEs. A quarterly meeting must be conducted with all SSCs to identify root causes, take remedial measures, prevent recurrence of failures. He must also ensure timely renewal of AMC and service contracts. Failure records note. Each senior DSTE must maintain a record showing number of failures per month, number of trains detained. This record must be JE or SSC wise, enabling performance monitoring and corrective action. System integrity testing. The senior DSTE must prepare a program for system integrity tests for PI, RRI and EI installations. Overhauling and testing of interlocking frames, key boxes, block instruments, relays, cables, point and signal machines. These activities must follow para 19.8.8 of SCM. We will discuss this later. Stores review. The senior DSTE must periodically review availability of signaling stores, timely procurement, avoidance of shortages affecting maintenance. Replacement planning. He must plan replacement of worn-out installations, renewal based on codal life or condition, additional signaling inputs to improve reliability. Proposals must be prepared and submitted in advance. Staff strength review. Staff strength must be reviewed periodically, including rest givers, leave reserve, training reserve, and night failure rectification gangs. The aim is to avoid both shortage and excess manpower. Staff redeployment. Before commissioning new works or modifications, staff must be redeployed or additional staff must be proposed. This ensures maintenance readiness from day one. Safety and training. The senior DST must ensure adoption of safety working practices, periodical technical briefings, updates on latest procedures and circulars. All stations must have approved drawings and properly maintained registers. Returns and correspondence. He must ensure timely submission of all periodical returns, prompt replies to headquarter letters. Delays in correspondence can affect safety and planning. Tools and protection. Maintenance staff must be provided with the toolkits and protection kits. This is essential for safe and efficient maintenance work. Applicability to Deputy CSTE. All duties under Section 2 also applies to Deputy CSTE construction, project or works when they are entrusted with maintenance responsibilities. Section 3. Additional duties of Deputy CSTE construction or project. Role of Deputy CSTE construction. The Deputy CSTE is responsible for accuracy, quality, progress, and timely completion of works. He must ensure works are well planned, organized and safely executed. Quality and progress. The Deputy CSTE must ensure works are completed within stipulated time and proper programming and organization. For contract works, tender schedules must be accurate. Specifications must be clear. Quality standard must be strictly followed. Approved plans. All works must conform to approved plans, PCST typical drawings, and standard drawings and manuals. Any deviation requires prior PCST approval. Traffic notice and NA. Before altering or introducing new installations, traffic notice must be issued. Pre-NA and NA programs must be prepared. Coordination with other departments is mandatory. This ensures safe working of traffic. Temporary instructions. Where required, the Deputy CSTE must ensure temporary working rules and the green notices are issued and followed correctly. Coordination with operating department. The Deputy CSTE must supply all relevant information to operating department to enable preparation of working rules and temporary instructions. CRS or PCSTE sanction. Sanction of Commissioner of Railway Safety or PCSTE must be obtained as per SCM Chapter 9 where applicable. We will discuss this later. Safety certificate. After commissioning, CRS and PCSTE must be informed by message. Safety certificate must be submitted as per para 9.2.5 of SCM. Progress reports. Monthly progress reports must be submitted to headquarters as per annexure given in SCM. Material and verification. The Deputy CSTE must periodically verify materials at the site as per para 6.8.2, ensuring quality, correct usage and proper accounting. To conclude, Section 2 strengthens maintenance, inspections and failure control. Section 3 ensures quality construction, safe commissioning and compliance. Together, these duties form the backbone of safe railway signaling operations. Okay, thank you.